Know your parent rights in special education. Are you spending all your family time doing endless research? With this public service announcement, you will have what you need. Know your rights, know your district provides, and have the resources you need. Just go to www.doe.nv.gov. Click on Special Education, and there you will see forms and documents. Your rights include prior written notice and parental consent. You will be notified for any changes in an understandable language. You will be fully informed in your native language. You will both agree in writing, and consent is voluntary. Independent evaluations and confidentiality. You have the right to obtain outside evaluation and be provided contact information by qualified personnel. Your child evaluation at public expense. We value confidentiality with utmost respect and diligence, and you have the right to inspect and review your child's records at any time. State complaint procedures and mediation. If a deficiency exists, the state must take effective measures. An on-site investigation will take place, and you may also provide any additional evidence. Mediation is available to remedy disagreements. It is voluntarily and cannot be used as a delay. Due process and hearings. Within 15 days, the school board meets with you. You will both sign a document if the agreement is reached. During hearings, they are impartial and they occur within 2 years, and they are open to the public. Appeals, timelines, and civil actions. Any decision may be appealed to the Nevada Department of Education. This appeal must take place 30 days after the decision to review, and if neither party disagrees, the review may be brought to any district court in the U.S. Placement of student. Reasonable attorney fees. The student maintains current educational placement for the duration of mediation, appeal, or hearing. And attorney's fees are to be paid by the prevailing party. Ultimately, you can receive quick answers anywhere, anytime, on any device at the Nevada Department of Education. Please contact us once again at www.doe.nv.gov. Thank you. And this ends your public service announcement.